what's going on? My name is Grant from Grant and Shelby. Today we are going over the Muscle Box subscription. I did this about a month ago and I really liked the first box and I'm very excited to do this. This is the box for, I believe it's June, and ready to open it. Very excited to see here. So it looks like first thing we have looks more of a formal thing. It looks just like talking about resistant bands for better strength, and so it kind of gives the reasons why you should do it and kind of gives suggestions off of some movements. So like for instance, it has concentration curls in here for arms, overhead tricep extension, and just suggested rep ranges and kind of the reason why you should do resistance. So I'm actually a really huge fan of resistant bands. I want to get more into them because of it. They are really good for strength. So yeah, that was actually pretty nice. Let's see here. There's this thing called Bite Fuel. It's Power Bites. My guess is that they look like it's like flavored Snickerdoodle. It says non-GMO, grass-fed whey, and that's really popular right now, trying to be grass-fed. And it looks like 18 grams of protein in here overall, which is good. It's not bad. It looks like the carbs is pretty good with 6 grams of sugar. Oh, and it looks like they also gave me a second one too, which that's really, really nice. It's chocolate chip. So I'm actually, I'm a huge cookie fan, so this is actually really good. Let's see here. They gave us more food. It's roasted broad bean crisps, 21 grams of protein. Looks like they are, it's like sweet cinnamon flavored, and like it says to like sprinkle on your oatmeal and such. This is actually pretty cool. Haven't really heard of this brand, haven't really heard of anything Snackage like this, so that's actually really interesting. And here's another snack. It's called Not Your Average Cookie. Eat the Bear, that's the brand. Looks like it's about 150 calories, 5 grams of protein in here, which is not that great at all. But I mean, it is a cookie, in which it looks like more of a healthier choice compared to any other cookie out there. So that's pretty cool. Here we go. Here's something that's really interesting. My guess is that when they're talking about resistance, so there's actually a resistant band in here, which that's really sick. I'm really excited for this actually, because I've been wanting to do, like I said, more resistant training. So, dang, this thing's long. You're able to do like chest with this. You can do a ton of other exercises, like they said in this pamphlet right here. So that's really, really neat. Very excited to kind of go through this and play with this. Yeah, this is really long and it has a good resistance on it. So super excited. Let's see here. Muscle Box is happy to bring you their very own resistant band this month. Suitable for all of your resistant stretches and exercises. Awesome. And looks like some pants. Actually, I think it's some shorts. These are a little tiny. They say they're medium, but I don't think I can actually fit in that. I think Shelby's gonna have to have these.
Cute. Oh my. Yes, work it.
I didn't put women's size. For Miss B, for Miss Muscle Box, they gave you a tank top other than shorts. So let me go ahead and go over all of this again one more time. I looked it up. A Bite Fuel is roughly around $2.50 per bag. So I can't really find the price on this, but if I were someone like this, I'd probably average it roughly around like $2 or so. So I mean, right now we're looking at $7. And it looks like the Enlightened roasted broad bean crisps are roughly around $3 per bag. And then resistant bands, it says in here the retail price is roughly around $22. So you're already looking at like $32 so far. And then you add this in here, I would probably average it from 8 to 10. So probably $40 of product for $25 per month. It's not too bad, you know. The first one I had with them was a lot better. I had 2 pounds of protein, and then a shirt, and then a ton of other snacks, which was great for it. I was a huge fan of it. I'm not really impressed with this one because it's kind of average whenever it comes to a lot of boxes like this. If I average this around, I would give it probably like a 6 to 7 out of 10. You know, like I said, I've seen better boxes whenever it comes to this company. I'm still going to be subscribed to these guys just to see how good their other boxes are. If you have any questions about the box or our channel, please put them in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.